Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, Moxie DIY in Java. I'm Michelle. Today's video is going to be a quick change challenge, and I will get into more about that in just a little bit. But for now, grab your cup of coffee or your favorite beverage and join me. Now this video is a continuation of my previous quick change challenge where I made this muffin tin and some other inserts. I will be sure to link that video up above and in the description box. And there was an overwhelming support for Christmas inserts, so here we are. So right now all I'm doing is I'm just cutting up some scrap cardboard that I had in my stash, and I'm going to paint all of them white. These ornaments from the Dollar Tree came with 4 bells, but we're only going to use 1. And luckily they're only twist tied together, so it's really easy to take apart. So to start, we're going to paint it black because eventually we're going to make it look like patinaed silver. I'm going to be using 2 of these mitten ornaments, and I'm going to just be painting the details, and I'm using this teeny tiny detail brush that I got from the Dollar Tree. As I said in the intro, this is part of the Quick Change Challenge, and it's hosted by Teresa of Teresa B DIY and Lon with Living Life with Lon. I will have both of their channels listed in the description box as well as the playlist, so be sure to check it out and see what other quick change items other creators have made. These are my favorite magnets for this DIY, and I'm just going to glue them to the backs. I have been loving Dollar Tree's Christmas gift tags this year. They're so cute. So I bought this pack, not just for this, but for Christmas as well. But I loved this particular tag, and we're just going to use the December 25th section. I had these Santa and Mrs. Claus figures in my stash and knew I wanted to use them for this project. And that's what I really love about this muffin tin idea, is that you can use pretty much anything that you have in your stash and make it work inside this little muffin tin. So all I did was I just glued the parts that were going to be touching the insert, and now, as with all the rest of the following inserts, I'm going to be applying the faux snow. It was a little too stark for me, so here I'm just brushing on some gray around the edges. Tumbling tower blocks come in so handy with this project because it can elevate things and also give a platform to others. So my thought process here was that mittens pretty much always have a string to attach themselves to each other. So I'm using the red cording that came with the ornaments, and I'm just going to attach them to themselves. And I realize that typically that's around the cuffs of the mittens instead of the fronts, but we're going with what we got. I saw this chair at Dollar Tree and knew I had to use it in this project. So to do that, we're going to use another tumbling tower block, and while it's drying, we're going to add the silver to our bell. And this is a pretty dry brush, and we're going to just pretty much be adding the silver to the detailed areas of this bell. I wanted this ornament to look like it was hanging, so we're using some of the cording from the Christmas tags, and I put it in the loop at the top of the ornament, and then we're going to make a simple bow with the same cording. Our paint has dried, so now we're going to attach our chair. Now in this video, you're going to see me attach this area to the front of the Jenga block. Now I recommend putting it at the top of the Jenga block so it has a platform to actually rest on, because this is already broken off. And since I've re-glued it to the other area, it has been great, nice and sturdy. So do as I say, not as I do. But this is one of my favorite inserts of this muffin tin. You'll notice that I'm adding faux snow to pretty much everything, and to be honest, it's because I love snow. It's just so magical when it does snow, and the quiet that comes during a snowstorm, I love it. So does it snow in your area? And if so, do you love it or are you over it? Let me know in the comments, I'd love to hear. If you are enjoying what you're seeing today, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. I typically make things that are easy on the budget but beautiful to the eye. Go ahead and hit that bell and the like button, and you will be notified every time I upload new videos. And here it is, but we're not done yet. We're going to add the charms, and to do that we're going to use these fantastic wooden stickers that Dollar Tree puts out for pretty much every holiday, and we're going to use the trees, and all I'm going to do is just paint them green with just a little bit of white. We're going to attach them with these mini magnets from the Dollar Tree, and we are good to go. And here's the final look. I would love to know which insert is your favorite. Comment down below and let me know. I'm so thankful you have spent this time with me, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video as much as I had making it, and I hope that you have very happy holidays and a Merry Christmas, and until I see you in the next video, take care.